All right, just jump right in. If you're in the wholesale application to person or A2P messaging world, you already know the ground is shifting under your feet. The old playbook, it just isn't cutting it anymore. So in this explainer, we're going to break down why AI isn't just another buzzword. It's become an absolutely critical tool for survival and for growth in this fragmenting market. So let me ask you this right off the bat. Is your sales playbook built for yesterday's market? I mean, really think about it, because if it is, you are probably feeling the squeeze. The strategies that worked like a charm just a couple of years ago, well, they're struggling to keep up now. And that's exactly the challenge we're here to talk about. So where is all this pressure actually coming from? Well, first we have to get a handle on the market itself. It is in a constant state of flux with some really urgent challenges that are basically rewriting the rules of the game as we speak. And here's that reality check. You've got premium brands, the big fish, moving over to richer channels like RCS, and at the same time, good old SMS is being treated like a commodity with huge pricing pressure. And let's not even get started on the operational headache of 10TSC and brand registration. It all adds up to one thing: higher cost to get a customer and lower revenue from each message. It's the perfect storm. But you know what? Here's the good. For every single one of those challenges, there's an opportunity. And this brings us to your new competitive edge. We're going to shift gears from the problem to the solution. And spoiler alert, it is not about working harder, it's about working smarter with AI. This right here, this is the exact mindset you need to have. AI amplifies your expertise. It doesn't replace you. It is not here to take your job. It's here to put it on steroids by handling all the repetitive data crunching stuff. And that frees you up to focus on what actually matters, building those crucial relationships and applying your deep technical knowledge. So how do we actually do this? Well, it all starts with mastering your AI assistant. This is the most accessible, lowest cost way to start leveraging AI. And believe it or not, it's powerful enough to handle something like 70% of your daily sales tasks. The secret sauce is something called prompt engineering. To get to a generic, basically useless response. But the second one, that's a game changer. You give it a role, you give it context, a specific task, a format. You've just transformed a simple chatbot into a strategic partner. And it's not just about how you ask, it's also about who you ask. Think of this as your cheat sheet. Use ChatGPT for that quick research and outreach when you need deep technical analysis. Claude's bigger brain is perfect for that for live up to the minute competitive intel. Gemini's access to the web is just unbeatable. You have to use the right tool for the job. Okay, so you've got the tools and you know how to talk to them. Now what? Well, now we build a smart workflow. This is all about creating a daily repeatable process that bakes AI into your routine to drive consistent results. And listen, it does not have to be complicated. This simple 3-step routine makes it all feel totally manageable. You start your day with a 20-minute AI-powered market check and prospect prep. Then during the day, you use it for real-time support, getting ready for a call or drafting a follow-up while you're still on that call. Then you just wrap up with a quick 15-minute review to analyze your day and tee up tomorrow's priorities. It's all about small, consistent actions. All right, let's talk about what every salesperson really cares about. The bottom line. What is the tangible, measurable return on investing your time in all this? Let's actually look at the numbers. First up, time. By automating the groundwork, all the research, the email drafting, the analysis, you can realistically save up to 15 hours every single week. I mean, think about that for a second. That is nearly 2 full days of high-value selling time put right back into your calendar. Then there's effectiveness. By using AI to scale hyper-personalized outreach, you can see a potential 40% boost in your response rates. This isn't just about sending more emails. It's about sending smarter emails that actually get a reply and start a real conversation. And finally, the big one, return on investment. When you stack up the low monthly costs of these tools against the massive gains in your efficiency and revenue, you're looking at a potential ROI of 60 to 1. That is just an undeniable business case. So what's the real takeaway here? A year ago, simply having access to AI was an advantage. Today, that's just the price of admission. The real edge, the thing that will separate you from the pack, is mastering it. It's about turning the cool toy into a productivity engine that directly drives your numbers up. And all of this leaves us with one final crucial question. Your competitors are absolutely doing this. They are getting smarter, they're getting faster and more efficient every single day. So the only question left to ask is, what's your next move? Now, if you are ready to not only learn about AI, but turn it into your competitive advantage and build workflows that scale, well then just get in touch and join TechStage Hub. Ping me and I will share the details with you.